you should never play by the rules, because all these rules were made by someone at some point because they made sense for them. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SP and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. But it made sense for that culture, they made sense for that. So you shouldn't really apply other people's rules or culture's rules to yourself, because all the rules weren't made for you and your situation. When someone made these rules up, they didn't have your situation in play. They weren't thinking about you. They weren't thinking about culture. Today, a lot of these rules, especially like law, if you actually think about laws, like laws and rules, like country rules and what, they were made gazillion years ago, before the internet, before everything else. So a lot of things weren't taken into account. So what he was saying is, look, obviously there's basic things like general respect people, don't kill and all that stuff. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about that other stuff. Like, how do you say to me today, right? Go to school today and become a doctor. That's because that's what it was a lot of time, many years ago. Go to school, become a doctor, a lawyer, or an accountant. Those were the careers, quote unquote good careers and all that stuff. And then someone over there goes to me, yo, but you know Elon Musk and all them kind of people, yeah, they're doing this internet thing and they're getting millions and billions. Okay, so what's a better career then? But obviously, like, it is what it is. Obviously, when school and everything else was started and they were telling you go be a doctor and whatnot, not to offend anyone, I'm not saying being a doctor and accountant is bad. No, I'm just saying there's careers that were not even born then. There's careers that weren't even alive. Do you know what I mean? It didn't exist. Do you mean? Think about things like, I don't know, Instagram influencers or like YouTubers or all that kind of stuff, right? Until YouTube was created, which is what, maybe 10 years ago or less, that didn't even exist. It did not exist. But some of them people are actually making a lot more money than normal day-to-day careers. So who am I to say, yo, go to school and do this? How can I say to someone, you know what it is? It's best to do that. No, I can't. I'll be like, yo, whatever you want to teach your kid is your business. If you want to put them in front of a camera today and let them do that, okay. Look at reality TV. Reality TV is another thing that came out. Do you mean? And it's popping and whatnot. Okay, so they're making, if at the end of the day the goal is to look after your family and to make a living and to earn a living for your family, how can I say to you that's not, mate, it's whatever. If you want to put your kid in front of a camera at 3 years old, hey, it's your business. Do you know what I mean? And that's what this person was trying to basically, say. So that's basically what it is. But if you actually stop and think about it properly, it's more like, yo, like, don't play by the rules, because rules a lot of times were put in place not taking into account the current lifestyle, how things have changed and how the world is going in another direction. So if you play by those rules, there's a lot of things you'll probably ignore today, or a lot of them won't even work, because it'll lead you to into another path that you don't actually want to be in, because a lot of them things don't work today. And you end up wasting a lot of time, and you end up where you ended up then. But the world's different and the world's changed. So if you take into account that, look at everything, survey the whole landscape, and then make a decision as to where and what you want to follow and what you don't want to follow. But obviously, again, I'm not talking about the major laws. I'm not saying go and break laws and start killing people and none of that. No, I'm talking about general life rules. What you want to go by, what you want to live by. You get to decide that. Till next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SP. I repeat, Real Andrew SP on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.